Hello, my darlings. This is an impromptu video. So I am leaving for Chicago. I don't have my watch on, but I'm leaving for Chicago in a few hours. And my girlfriends called me just like, girl, it's snowing. We know that you need to know this because we know your outfits and what you want to do. So I'm in the office repacking, and we're going through coats right now. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to bring you guys along with me in my thought process. So we're starting off with this black and white coat from Pretty Little Thing. I will leave a link to all the coats down in the description box. This is the coat that I showed you guys the week before I went to Philly. And so this is probably number one on the list. But here's the thing. I'm going to be thrifting. You guys know, y'all know about that life. Coats take up space, so I have to be very strategic. My goal is to take 2 coats, one on the plane, one in my luggage. This is a huge one, so if I take this one, the other one is gonna have to be, I don't know, because it's gonna have to fit in my luggage. Anyway, this is number 1 on the list. My goal was to take actually a black and then a color, but I feel like, listen, you guys know how I feel about Chicago and what I need to do in the Chicago streets. So I just want to be wise about what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my sweater dresses. You know what? I'm not going to shut this off because literally this is like impromptu and I got to get going. So I wasn't going to take this dress. I don't know. I felt like this would probably be like my February birthday dress. I know I'm going to be somewhere cold in February, and so I didn't want to take this, but I feel like this and this needed its moment. So that's the thing about when I'm planning for outfits is just the fashion girl in me. I'm thinking about what I'm going to be taking, excuse me, in forthcoming trips, because I do on the books right now have about 3 other cold weather trips. So I don't know if I want to stun on them in that yet, but this is definitely a contender. Okay, let's get to coat number 2. All right, my darling. So this is the second coat that I'm going to try on. This is actually what I'm wearing to the airport. I'll probably switch out the jeans. These are by Good American. Good American jeans are the only ones that I that I really enjoy, because I love a good skinny, and it also has to give me like space, but not like suffocate me. A lot of times, if the denim is not a quality denim, it just feels like it's strangling my legs, like there's no space to move. And so when I'm flying, I like to find leggings, because sitting down for 3 hours in jeans, I just feel like I'm suffocating. So I don't know if this is what I'm going to be wearing to the airport, but definitely the just a regular old t-shirt and my Fendi sneakers. Anyway, this is the second choice, and I feel like with this one and that one I would be good, but I also want to pull out my faux furs, or the lightweight faux furs. One of the things I want to do with this one, why I keep buttoning this up like I'm on the plane. One of the things that I really want to do with this coat, like I saw it when I was playing in here the other day, I really kind of want to wear this animal print with it. I feel like it's so different and out there. And this is definitely what we want to be wearing. This is actually from Zara. I got this in Houston. Riley was a baby. So like 6 years ago. But it's one of my favorite scarves. And I really like the look of this, right? Can you see? I like that. I feel like it's just a different way of wearing animal print. Again, I'm not gonna shut off the camera because this is real life, people. I'm really sorting out my life, sorting out my mind. So in my brain, when I was at home, like I gotta redo my looks. In my brain, I was thinking this coat, of course, probably a black sweater dress or a cream sweater dress. This coat, this scarf, these shoes. But here's the thing. I don't know if the snow is sticking. Again, it was like a high alert last night. I woke up to my phone like, girl, it's snowing. All my girlfriends like, it's snowing. So I don't know, because I haven't talked to them yet. You know, they're an hour behind. I don't want to bring these up because I'm not walking in these in snow. That's a rookie mistake. I'm not walking in faux suede in snow. But I love this together. I feel like that would be just such a vibe. So the more I look at it, the more I'm like, I need to pack it. Like I need this look. decisions. All right, let's get into the next coat, darlings. All right, my darlings. So on the same pattern mix vibe, this coat, I actually thrifted this from Calle and I don't know what I did with the video, but I got this at Calle, one of my thrifting trips, and I fell in love with it. The only reason why I don't think this is gonna come is because it's Chicago, and if you know about that hawk, I don't know if the hawk is out, but I know it's gonna be in the 30s and 20s. And let me tell you something, the last thing you want when the hawk is out is for your legs to be uncovered. So this is a little too short. Yeah, no. That's the first thing I think about, is that it'll be cute until I have to go walk somewhere. And yeah. So I like this in terms of the mix. So if you're somewhere where it's like a moderate winter, where it's like in the 50s right now, I think we're gonna have a cold spell all over the country. But if you're in a place that like has moderate winters or moderate fall, moderate winters as we move into January. And again, I could wear long johns. Like there's ways to rectify the situation, right? It's just cover up, you know, layer. But that's not what I'm on right now, because the only layering I want to do are these boots going over my thighs. Oh gosh, even that is a look. That is a whole vibe. Anyway, I'm acting like I don't have a flight to catch. All right, let's try on 2 more coats. Yeah, 2 more. Oh God, I love this coat. It is huge. I absolutely love this coat. I got this the end of last season. Is there a loop right here? Yes, there is, because it keeps on falling. I love this coat, guys. This is like a faux fur teddy situation. Almost looks like a nightgown. Like a dressing gown. So to me, I was holding this out for a January trip. This is something that I would wear to Chicago, absolutely. Toronto, because that's on the list. Those places that get like nasty blizzard cold, you know, and like it just has to be like every part of your body has to be covered and layered. So I was saving this. And again, I know it looks like a dressing gown, but when I tell you, with a pointed toe boot, with these boots coming out the bottom, oh, I'll leave a link to these boots, by the way. You guys really enjoyed these on Instagram. These are from Fashion to Figure, so I will leave a link to these. And you know, I showed you on YouTube community and in my shorts. Yeah, so can you? Oh, yeah, I can't wear this right now. The world is not ready for what I'm trying to do with this. I have to. This is a whole vibe. This is January. So let's revisit this when I'm packing for Toronto. Let's revisit this when I'm packing for Toronto. Yeah, y'all not ready for this yet. I'm not ready for this yet. Although it would be really good for walking. No. January, February. We got a lot of cold months to go through. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so I'm rubbing my eyes because I'm like in a state of I don't know what the heck I want to take. This doesn't close either. So initially, when I woke up and saw those text messages, I was like, listen, that gray faux fur is getting her moment. Oh, but my legs, guys, my legs are gonna be out. Let me show you, because I wore my Saint Laurent to the office, because this is what I'm gonna be taking with me. My Saint Laurent sac de jour. Guys, you guys are my people, so you know how we make a statement wherever we go. Oh, with the black legging. You know, Primark has those leggings with the like their fur on the inside. Do I have time to go to Primark though? Because this with a legging and a boot. I really like this. This was my initial, like, yeah, I'm wearing this. Like, there's no doubt about it. Like, this is coming out. But this may be, and maybe ahead of myself, I feel like this is single digit weather coat. I don't feel like this is 30s, 20s coat. I feel like this is, I need to make another trip to Chicago. Let me pray about it. Let me talk to the Holy Ghost. Because, you know, the Holy Ghost knows where I'm going to be before I know where I'm going to be. Let me talk to the Holy Ghost and wake up my friends. And be like, this is what I'm thinking. Is it? Am I doing too much? And, of course, to be like, you always do too much. That's why we love you. Facts. Get friends who understand your vibe. Get your friends that when you're taking a minute to get ready, they understand it. Because this is your grace. And they know that when they go shopping with you, you're going to have the best intent for them as well. Like my girlfriends, they're like, take your time. Because we know. We know. Oh, Holy Ghost. What are we going to do? I'm going to think about it. Y'all will see on the other end. Y'all will see me in Chicago and know what I ended up taking. This is a definite maybe. A definite possibility. Anyway, let me act like I'm catching a flight today. Get out of here and clean up this mess because I'll put my bag on the floor. Clean up this mess. I will be thrifting in Chicago, so stay tuned. Thrifting, shopping. I say thrifting lightly because I really don't know yet. I'll get up there, get with my friends, and we just may sit in the house and eat Harold's. Eat Harold's and Garrett's. If you know, you know. Okay, Harold's fried chicken. All right. Let me get out of here. Love you guys so much, and see you on the other side. Bye.